Hey everybody, this is Teresa, Mountaineer Farms, and that's Randy down there studying. He was on that job, been on that job doing stonework. Now he's doing stonework here. He ain't too happy about it, but he's trying to finish up our back patio, around backyard, around the pool, and the fire pit, and
getting time for pool time.
yeah, getting time for summertime. Pool's open and clean. Got my little robot running. And we found these beautiful pavers.
Yeah, they're not pavers.
They're actual stone.
Sandstone.
Sandstone, yeah. And what we're going to do, we're actually filling all this up all the way. We got 2 pallets, so as far as 2 pallets will take us.
Yeah, well, right now, if I can get out to about here,
You'll be happy.
if I can get to the edge of that, I'll be tickled.
Right.
And then we can do rock ain't going nowhere to be on the pallet.
Right. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's time consuming. It's like every single rock has to be measured and it has to be laid in just so. Sand has to, well, it's actually not sand, it's gravel, ain't it?
It's a puzzle maker.
Yeah, it is a puzzle.
I need somebody that does puzzles.
But that's what crush and run, or we call it trash rock. I really don't know.
It's the last round of rock they get out of the.
Yeah,
It's the cheapest stuff you can buy.
yeah, the cheapest stuff you can buy, and it's still not cheap anymore. It's coming up in price. But it sets up like concrete. It really does. I mean, it's taken a while to break it up. But you smooth it. You put your gravel in, you smooth it, you fit your stone where you want your stone. And then we use, what is it, polymer sand?
Polymer sand.
Polymer sand. And that will go in between all these cracks.
And it kind of sets it. It's a
Rubberized sand.
You wet it down after you brush everything in there, and it just sets up. You just mist it down, and it just sets up into, I don't know, it's hard.
Right.
But it's rubberized. It's not concrete. It's
right. And it looks like a sandy grout.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it looks like. But it'll set up almost like concrete. So
it keeps the weeds out and water out.
Yeah. It's a good water vapor,
we
whatever.
Got big enough cracks here, it's going to take several bags. But that's all right.
Well, we picked up 6 the other day, and they're what, $30 a bag now?
We'll need about 6, 7 more.
Right, well.
But don't matter.
So today we started off early, nice and cool. It's what, about 60, 65 maybe?
I don't know.
But nice.
I don't know if I'm sweating.
Yeah, nice cool morning. And this doesn't start, they'll start getting sun about midday.
Yeah, it's starting now.
Yeah, and so once this gets sun, then it gets hotter, of course. So we'll show you how it's going.
Yeah, we ain't going to get too far today. If I can get up to right in here, then the sun will be breaking down on it. We may level that up.
Go ahead and do the sand on that.
Yeah, go ahead and do the gravel on that. No.
No?
We'll do sand very last.
Very last, okay.
You can't keep it from encroaching over where you want. We'll do it very last.
Okay. So,
But,
and then we're also making a step down over there because we've had to bring it up to make it level because it had a slope. So.
I mean, I don't care if it has a little slope. That way water will run off.
Right, but we still needed a little bit of a step up to it.
I don't want a lot of slope.
Right. Just getting ready for summer.
Yep.
So, well, we'll bring you on later today. We'll see where we're at by the afternoon. Okay, well, it's late afternoon or midday, and I think we're at a stopping point right now. This is a lot of hard work, a lot of bending, a lot of back-breaking work. I apologize for the radio. The stereo's on in the background. I am not copywriting any music. But I'm showing you where we're at. And tomorrow morning we'll get back up early in the morning, keep going, and keep filling up. We've used maybe half of this pallet. We still have another pallet over there behind the tractor. So we should have enough to at least go out as far as we want. This pallet will probably bring us to the end of the playhouse there. So just showing you where we're ending up. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.